What's up, guys? Welcome to 5-Minute Math, where you give me 5 minutes and I give you the day's lesson. Now, today we're looking at lesson 1.8 in our Go Math books, estimating differences. Right? That means we're estimating subtraction problems because a difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we're supposed to do that. One way they're talking about is using compatible numbers, and they also talk about using place value to round to subtract. All right? Now, first I'm going to talk about rounding. All right. Now, remember, if your number is less than 5, or the number you're looking at is less than 5, you're going to round down. If the number you're looking at is greater than 5, you're going to round up. All right. What do I mean by that? Well, let's say we're going to round a number like 134 to the nearest 10. So I'm going to be rounding this digit. That means that I look at my ones digit. My ones digit is less than 5. That means I round this number down. So instead of rounding it up to 140, I round this number down to 130, all right, the nearest 10. In this example here, I have 136. I'm rounding to the nearest 10, so I need to look at my ones digit. It's a 6. 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, I would round this up, all right, to 140. Because this number here is closer to 140. This number here is closer to 130. That's why I rounded it down. All right. Now, the next thing is compatible numbers. All right. Compatible numbers. If I have some numbers like this, 39 plus, let's say 47. All right. Well, I know it's sort of like using rounding, right? I know it'd be a lot easier to just round this up to 40, and then I could just add 40 and 47 and get 87, all right? If I changed this to a 40. That way I can kind of estimate the sum of this question in my head. So compatible numbers is kind of like rounding or using numbers that add up to like tens or fives, stuff like that. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. I got to go kind of quick because I only got 5 minutes. All right. Let's go ahead and do a couple of the problems here that they give us. All right. Let's look at B on the first page here. 73 minus 22. 73 minus 22. So for this one, they want us to estimate the difference, 73 minus 22. And they've already done compatible numbers. They've changed this one to 75. Remember, with compatible numbers, you kind of want to make it a number that ends with a 5 or a 0. That's typically easier. And minus, instead of doing 22, I'm going to do minus 20. All right? So my estimate, 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. My estimate for 73 minus 22 is 55, all right? Some people are going to want to do this. 3 minus 2 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, 51. Do not do that. It does not ask us for the exact answer. It asks you for the estimate, okay? Estimating is a skill you guys need to have. Let's do one more real quick. 376 minus 148. So we have 376 minus 148. 376 minus 148. All right. Now I want to get these digits to like 5s or 0s. That makes it a lot easier, guys. It just does. So instead of 376, I can put that at 375 minus, instead of 148, I'm going to do 150. Okay, I'm going to notice that my ones digit for both, I've turned this one into a 5, this one into a 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. All right. So there we have 225 as our estimate. All right. Don't just subtract them. Okay. We want estimates today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's 5-minute math. Tune in tomorrow for another intriguing lesson. Thank you. Have a good day.